Lauren Graham and Peter Krause. In her role as Lorelai, Graham acted alongside many on-screen boyfriends, from Rory's schoolteacher Max Medina to her father's business partner Jason Digger Stiles. She even had an on-off relationship with Rory's biological father Christopher, who always had a habit of turning up at the most inconvenient moments. But throughout the series, fans were always rooting for her to finally wake up and notice her close friend Luke, who was stood behind his dinner counter nearly every episode, serving her coffee. Since her role in Gilmore Girls, Graham revealed on Ellen Chat Show that she had found love with fellow actor Pete Krause. The pair have known each other since the 90s, but were never in the right place at the right time. They eventually started dating in 2010 after their on-screen chemistry in TV series Parenthood. Alexis Bledel and Milo Ventimiglia. Gilmore Girls fans were sent into overdrive when it was revealed that Alexis Bledel, aka Rory Gilmore, was actually seeing her on-screen boyfriend Milo, who played Jess Mariano in real life. Their chemistry was evident during Milo's run on the series, and even after his departure, he made several memorable appearances in later seasons. Off-camera, the couple remained together for 4 years after first meeting in 2001. They kept their relationship private, but Alexis later claimed in an interview that they had even discussed marriage. I think everybody who has been dating for more than a couple of years probably talks about it at some point, Alexis told People in September 2005. It's a fun thing for us to talk about, but that's it. It's unclear why the two split, particularly since they were famously secretive about their relationship. However, Milo's rep confirmed that the two had parted ways in 2006, leaving Gilmore Girls fans to pick up the pieces. Alexis Bledel and Vincent Kartheiser. After her relationship with Milo, Alexis went on to find love with another actor, this time Mad Men's Vincent Kartheiser. The pair met during filming of the show when Alexis guest starred as a love interest to Vincent's character Pete. They announced their engagement in March 2013 and later married in 2014. Alexis gave birth to a son the following year, Melissa McCarthy and Ben Falcone. Since her starring role as Chef Stooky St. James in Gilmore Girls, McCarthy has shot to fame. In the series, Sookie eventually found love with vegetable gardener Jackson, and the on-screen couple started a family together. Melissa McCarthy has done the same thing in real life, although Ben Falcone isn't a gardener but a fellow actor and comedian. The pair seem to like working together as they both starred in Bridesmaids, and Ben recently directed his wife in a love scene for the comedy film Life of the Party. Not every husband could manage to be so professional in that situation. It works for Melissa and Ben though, and the celebrity couple are still happily married after 13 years together. Scott Patterson and Christine Sarayan. In real life, Scott's partner is Christine Sarayan. There were rumors in 2017 that the couples had secretly got married, but nothing has been confirmed by the actor. Patterson was previously married to high school sweetheart Vera Davidge, but they divorced in 1985. Jared Padalecki and Genevieve Cortez. In reality, his love life isn't quite as complicated as his Gilmore Girls alter ego. Jared has been married to his Supernatural co-star Genevieve Cortez since February 2017. The couple have 3 children together and have rejected the Hollywood Hills for a quiet family life in Jared's home state of Texas. Edward Herrmann and Star Herrmann. His marriage to Emily was a mainstay of the series, and apart from a brief blip resulting in separation, the couple remained together on screen for many seasons. Fans were devastated to learn that Edward Herrmann had passed away shortly before the Netflix return of Gilmore Girls, a fact which saw Emily struggling to comprehend his death and try to get by on her own. Before his passing, he was married to star Herman for 20 years until his death in 2014. Kelly Bishop and Lily Leonard. The couple have married since 1981. Unfortunately, his husband died in 2018. Sean Gunn and Natasha Halevi. The actor married his longtime girlfriend, actress Natasha Halevi, in 2019. Liza Whale and Paul Edelstein. Liza was married to Paul Edelstein from 2006 to 2017 after they met during various stints in the world of theater. Unfortunately, Liza filed for divorce and the pair have now separated for good. Keiko Agena and Shin Kawasaki. Keiko has been married to husband Shin Kawasaki since 2005. Matt Zuckerai. Matt Zuckerai is currently single, so any Logan fans out there might still be in with a chance.